Hello, good afternoon. I present my work, Times 3. Read a storybook, English 2, September Spring. Introduction 1. Personal presentation. 2. Favorite celebration. 3. Home activities. 4. Preferential list of my book, movies, series, and music. 5. Wardrobe according to the season. My name is Sergio Andrés Cuenca. I am 20 years old. I characterize myself for being a person who aspires to fulfill his goals and dedicated to my family. I like being active at all times, traveling, learning new things, play video games, doing sport with my friends, hunt or playing soccer. I don't like being stressed. I don't like being with the internet. I don't like getting sick. The favorite place theoretically to frequent is my grandmother's farm. It is relaxing and the climate is very good. My favorite book is The Princess of Hope by Carlos Ruiz Zafón. My favorite celebration in the New Year. I like this. They break all my relatives together. It is exciting to see each other after a long day. On this date, we usually get up very early in the morning to make a super breakfast for everyone. The party starts very early with my uncles. We also wore our closing tag that we enjoy the arena sport. After finish the parade, we end up in full of arena. To solve this, we are going to bathe in the river. Dinner is and right there is too much typical and delicious food. I usually wake up at 6 or 7 in the morning. Before cleaning, I prepare breakfast while my wife takes care of other things. I never fit the rule my wife always does. My wife and I always make lunch, sometimes with hash brown. Why like to eat meat afternoon snack? Why like to watch novels? I like to see anime series like Hora de Aventura, Jóvenes Titanes, and Gravity Falls. I like anime series like One Punch Man, Seven Deadly Sins, among others. I like history, mystery, and adventure shows. I almost do not like the reading since it is very rare the book that manages to get my attention. I like action movies, drama, comedy, suspense, adventure, of everything a little. At 7 a.m. I am gearing up to make breakfast late. At 7 p.m. I am usually with my family doing anything. Where you came from, the four seasons are not fully visible, but normally the climate is mild, sometimes hot and sometimes cold. In La Plata, I like to wear shorts and t-shirts to keep hot. When the rainy season Only warm clothing is used, such as jackets and raincoats. In Bogota, jackets, trench hats, or scarves are used. It is very cold. I'm in San Andres Isla when travel head warming. Clothing is used a lot since it is very fresh and flip-flop. Thank, thank you very much for attention.